Good day folks. My name is Dave. The lesson today is can and can't. Check it out.
Can we sit here?
You can't start classes until next week.
James can help us tomorrow.
Can you come to lunch on Sunday?
You can use my phone if you like.
We can't park here.
Can we watch TV after dinner?
He can't go to the cinema tonight.
I can't go to work tomorrow. My sister needs the car. Can I pay in euros?
No, I'm sorry. We only accept pounds.
Can we swim here?
No, the water's very cold.
The restaurant's very near. We can walk there.
Where can we drive for lunch? I'm hungry. You can watch TV when you finish your homework.
Can you come to dinner at my house on Saturday?
I'm sorry, I can't. It's my mother's birthday.
Excuse me. You can't listen to music in the museum.
Sorry.
Meeting.
Stopping.
Buying. Going.
Crying.
Writing.
Running.
Cycling.
She likes cooking.
Do you like traveling? I love shopping for presents.
They don't like watching TV. Does your father like playing chess? I don't like doing exercise.
My mother loves reading detective novels.
We don't like going to bed late.
Thanks for watching.